Now, in continuation of active passive series, we are today touching upon simple past in the passive voice. I have told you in my previous lecture when I was touching upon present perfect passive voice, then I had mentioned that present continuous and present perfect, both these passive voice, they are comparatively easier than simple present. Why? Because in present continuous and present perfect, we use the same helping verb which has been used in the active voice. But as in simple present, the helping verb in the active voice is do not or does not. But while making passive voice, we do not use do not or does not. We use is rm. In the same manner, helping verb in the active voice of simple past is did. But remember, while forming passive voice, we do not use it. Did not, but was were. I am taking up the example. Subject plus second form of verb and object. This is our active voice. And what is the passive voice? Object becomes the subject. So, subject plus was were plus third form of the verb by and then the object, that is the subject of the active voice. Reena employ 300 men, and when we are changing it into passive voice, 300 men were employed by Reena. They built 3 houses. 3 houses were built by them. You just make a comparative study of simple present passive voice and simple past passive voice. Then it will be easy to learn that the only difference in the passive voice of these two is of is rm and was were. So when we say that he teaches arithmetic, then the sentence we make will be that arithmetic is taught by us. Okay. And when we make it in the simple past, that we taught arithmetic. So the passive voice will be arithmetic was taught by us. So was were, keep in mind, and the third form of the verb is used in all the passive voices. So this is your simple past affirmative sentence, a simple statement. Coming to negative, again make a comparative study of simple past and simple present active voice and passive voice. In the active voice, simple present, we use do not or did not. Fine. But in the active voice of simple past, we use did not. And when we are making passive voice, what will be using? Was, were and not. in the third form of the verb is there. So active voice and passive voice of simple present and simple past becomes tricky in the beginning for the students. I tell you only in the beginning, because the common mistake which the students make while attempting this question is when they see did not. So they forget that what we use while making passive voice, and by mistake sometimes many of the students use did not even in the passive voice. So remember, this mistake we don't have to commit in our passive voice. You have to use, even if there is did not or do not or does not, when we are making passive voice, we are using this line. What? He was not seen by me. I did not see him. He was not seen by me. You did not pay the bill. The bill was not paid by you. You did not pay the bill. The bill was not paid by you. You did not find your book. Your book was not found by you. You did not write me a letter. I was not written a letter by you. Or a letter was not written to me by you. You did not pay the bill. The bill was not paid by you. I want you to give you a few more examples. Napoleon fought the war bravely. This is your affirmative. Or Napoleon, your French did not support Napoleon. So Napoleon was not supported by French. So did not will be replaced by was not or were not in the passive voice. You did not pay the bill. The bill was not paid by you. My friend did not watch the movie. The movie was not watched by my friend. Or I did not pay the visit to the patient. The visit was not paid by me to the patient. Coming to the interrogative. In interrogative, we have the helping verb did. Okay, so did will be replaced by was were when making passive voice. Did plus subject plus first form of a verb plus object. Was were passive voice is was were plus object plus third form of a verb plus by plus subject. When we are making passive voice, was were, then object, then third form of verb, then by plus subject. Again, I'm telling, make a comparative study of simple past with simple present, and then you will find the similarity that there we are using is are am and here we are using was were. Did Anmol open the shop? Was the shop opened by Anmol? Did she eat the mangoes? Were the mangoes eaten by her? She is singular, but and the mangoes are plural. When we are making passive voice, we will be using were. Remember that in order to have complete command in passive voice, you must have the knowledge of past participle form of all the verbs. Past participle, that is the third form of the verb. past participle. Third form of the verb in linguistic term is called past participle. I want you to be aware of the third form of few important words. And what is the third form of has have? First form of has have is has have, second form is had, and the third form is again had. Then again most important verb for me is be. So what is the first form of be? Is rm. What is the second form? Was, were. And what is the third form? Been. See, go, went, gone, come, came, come, play, played, played, die, died, died. So these are common verbs which you remember easily. But be, be and has have, they are different from rest of the verbs. So memorize them, learn them, write them. First, second, third form of be and first, second, third form of has have. Has. Now coming to the negative interrogative sentences. Did, subject, not, first form of verb and object. This is the active voice. Then was, were, object, not, third form of verb by or subject. I am giving the example. Did they not enjoy the magic show? Making it the passive voice. Was the magic show not enjoyed by them? Did Bhavna not finish her work? Was Did Bhavna not finish her work? See, because there is pronoun in her work. So in order to specify, instead of her, we will use was Bhavna's work, not finished by. Instead of repeating Bhavna, we will be using pronoun for Bhavna, and that is her. So these are the examples. I am giving you few more examples. Did you visit the SL World? Was the SL World visited by you? Did you accomplish? Did you not accomplish your task? The task was task not accomplished by you. But see, did you not smile? This is the sentence. But this cannot be changed into passive voice. Why? Because smile is intransitive verb and it does not need object. So it cannot be changed into passive voice. Did birds fly or did birds not fly? So again, this cannot be changed into passive voice. Why? Because fly, smile, cry, they all are intransitive verb. Did sun, did the sun shine early in the morning yesterday? So this again also cannot be changed into passive voice. So far you have to keep in mind that transitive verb has needs object, so only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice Remember it. And because intransitive verb does not have or does not need the object, so intransitive verb cannot be. It is not possible to change intransitive verb sentences having intransitive verb into passive voice.